kids. Do you love birthday cakes? Let's draw and color a yummy birthday cake together. Grab your black marker and let's have some fun. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's draw the big bottom layer of the cake. It's nice and round. Now, add the wavy cream on top of this layer. Looks delicious. Now let's draw the second layer on top, a little smaller than the first one. Time to add the creamy topping on this layer too. Let's draw 3 candles standing tall on the top, ready to be lit.
La da 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 dee.
Nice job, everyone. Our drawing is complete. Let's make the outline bold and sharp. It really makes the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it? Yay! Now it's time to color. Look at these beautiful rainbow colors. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Awesome work, little artists. Your birthday cake looks super tasty and colorful. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun drawings at Toddlers Art Hub. See you next time. Yay! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.